In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and filter categories in Outlook. Organizing your emails efficiently can enhance productivity and save you precious time throughout the day. Using categories in Outlook is a great way to keep everything neatly sorted, allowing you to access what you need with minimal hassle. So let's dive into this quick guide on how you can get started. First, we'll begin by opening up Microsoft Outlook. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily find it through a quick search or by visiting the official Microsoft website. Once you're in Outlook, you'll see the familiar interface where all your emails, calendar events, and tasks are managed. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter your credentials carefully. If you're using Outlook for work, remember to use your work email and its respective password. After entering the required details, go ahead and sign in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the main view of Outlook. To start categorizing your emails, navigate over to your inbox by selecting the appropriate tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Your inbox is where all your received emails are gathered, waiting for your action. Now, selecting the specific email you want to categorize is quite simple. You just need to find the email list in your inbox, choose the one you're interested in categorizing, and right-click on it. This will open up a context menu with several options. From the context menu, direct your attention to the option that says Categorize. Just hover over it, and you'll see a list of existing categories appear. If any of these categories suit your needs, you can simply click on one of them to assign it to your email. However, if you'd like something more specific or personalized, you have the option to create a brand new category. To create a new category, look for an option like All Categories or Manage Categories in the list. This will allow you to add a fresh category that you can name and color code to your liking, making it easy to distinguish at a glance. Once your chosen category is set, it will apply to the selected email and you can organize further emails using the same method. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to add and filter categories in Outlook, making your email management a breeze. Remember, staying organized is key to efficiency, so take a moment to categorize your emails and enjoy a streamlined workflow. Thank you for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips.